In the aftermath of the recent assembly elections, the political chessboard in Telangana is witnessing a strategic shuffle as parties gear up for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Congress, BRS and BJP are actively maneuvering to assert dominance in the state. In a surprising turn of events, the Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP has emerged with a fresh strategy to strengthen its position in Telangana. The Saffron Party, boosted by recent victories, is eyeing the upcoming Lok Sabha polls as an opportunity to extend its influence across South India, with Telangana as a pivotal stronghold. Insider information from One India suggests that the BJP High Command is contemplating fielding Prime Minister Narendra Modi from the Malkajgiri Lok Sabha constituency in Telangana. This move is seen as a calculated effort to fortify the party's position and make significant inroads in the southern states, where the BJP currently lacks a substantial presence. Malkajgiri, often referred to as a mini India due to its diverse population, holds the distinction of being the largest constituency in terms of voters. The constituency became vacant following the resignation of the current Chief Minister of Telangana, Revnath Reddy, who secured victory in the Lok Sabha seat in 2019. If the speculated plan materializes, it could mark a historic shift in political dynamics. The BJP's focus on all 13 Lok Sabha constituencies in Telangana, excluding Khambam, Nalgonda, Bhongir and Mahabubad, positions the party as a formidable alternative, especially against the BRS. Reports suggest that leaders from other political factions, notably the BRS, are contemplating joining the BJP ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. The alleged tactical decision to field PM Modi from Malkajgiri is aimed at creating challenges for both the Congress and the BRS, solidifying the BJP standing in the region. As India awaits an official statement from the BJP High Command, these developments signal a potential reshaping of the political landscape in Telangana.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.